copy invite link, and I should post it to let me see, intro to AI now, LLM general discussions. Yeah, okay, I posted it to Discord. Are we all able to get to that? What did I do? All right, guys, welcome today. Our session is on multimodal learning, and we are going to continue our coverage of multimodal learning. We have, guys, can I please have one conversation, please? Last time we did blip 2, and today we are going to do one particular model which has been very influential, LLaVA, and it's a whole series of models, LLaVA 1, then 1.5, and so on and so forth, and then LLaVA 3D, LLaVA Med. I'm going to cover the LLaVA series today, and time permitting, but I would rather not. Actually, today has been an abbreviated day because of the internet issues. We'll also cover the remarkable breakthrough that has come from Facebook yesterday, Meta yesterday. Now, I hope, how many of you saw that blog page of Meta? Only one of you saw that. Okay, so maybe I need to bring this up here and show you what that is about. If you, I posted about it on LinkedIn also, but it's called Movie Gen Meta. So let's look at this. It shows you what the frontiers of multimodal learning has become. It's just amazing. So this is how realistic it looks.
Is it by prompt?
Yes, it is by prompt. Right. Now look at this. Here is a kid. Text summary. A girl is running across a beach and holding a kite. She is wearing jean shorts and a yellow t-shirt. The sun is shining down.
Saying the prompt?
That's the prompt. Right. And how many of you would say this is not? By the way, if you are how many of you are videographers? If you're videographers, you would agree. Yeah, you would agree that this kind of shot is very hard to take, to hold your camera steady and take this shot, right? Even if you're holding a gimbal, how many of you know what a gimbal is, right? That's what you would do. You would run behind and hold the gimbal and then get something like this.
I love the shadow.
Yeah, look at the photorealism of this. Look at this guy, this one. Now, observe. Transform the lantern into a bubble that soars into the air. So here is the original image on the left of a lantern flying, and you're saying, change that lantern, replace it instead with a bubble. Now, I want you to notice something interesting about the bubble, the photorealism. Do you see that the bubble reflects the world, right? And the utter realism that you see here. Look at this. Text input is thunder crackles loudly with an orchestral music track. Let's turn on the music. How many of you are impressed? Can you guess what it does to the creative world, to the creative industry? It's both terrific and terrifying. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say on my LinkedIn. Yeah, I don't know what you guys thought, but I asked for comments. So look at this. Here is the picture. A woman is sitting on the grass of a pumpkin on the grass of a pumpkin patch. She is wearing a scarf and holding a cup. The background is filled with rows of pumpkins. Give this input image. You gave this prompt. Now, how many of you can tell? So, Look at that. And so this gentleman, this is why you need to take these sessions really seriously and learn these research papers. Guys, you have one choice. Like most people take airplane flights, right? And they don't think twice about the airplane flights. The point of us being engineers is we are curious about how exactly does the flight work? How does this big, heavy contraption of metal weighing thousands of tons take off into the sky? Or hundreds of tons take off into the sky, right? Isn't it? And that's what engineering is about. So I hope you are sufficiently piqued, your curiosity is sufficiently piqued to understand how exactly is all this happening. And if you look at the architecture, it's actually quite straightforward. Actually, what I like about this architecture is it's not complicated, but it's very creative, very inventive, and well done. So let's savor some of these things. This one says a sloth with pink sunglasses lays on a donut float in a pool. The sloth is holding a tropic drink. The world is tropical. The sunlight casts a shadow. And is the sunlight casting a shadow?
Yeah.
And look at the utter photorealism of this. Right? Look at another one. Text input. The camera is behind a man. The man is shirtless, wearing a green cloth around his waist. He is barefoot with a fiery object in each hand. He creates with wide circular motions. A calm sea is in the background. The atmosphere is mesmerizing with the fire dance. How many of you would agree?
Yeah.
Right? Look at the next one. The next one says, a fluffy koala bear surfs. Right? Maybe the first koala bear we have seen surfing. Okay. So it has a gray and white coat and round nose. The surfboard is yellow. The koala bear is holding onto the surfboard with its paws. The koala bear's facial expression is focused. The sun is shining. Do you see the sun shining here in the background?
And this one is the koala is blinking his eyes.
Yes. Yeah, even the expressions are there.
Yeah.
Right? Let's look at another one since Halloween is nearby. A ghost in a white bedsheet faces a mirror. The ghost reflection can be seen in the mirror. The ghost is in a dusty attic filled with old beams, cloth-covered furniture. The attic is reflected in the mirror. The light is cool and natural. The ghost dances in front of the mirror. Let's look at another one. Oh, I love this one. I haven't seen this one. A red-faced monkey with white fur is bathing in a natural hot spring. Can you tell it's a hot spring?
Yeah.
From the evaporation. The monkey is playing in the water with a miniature sail ship in front of it, made of wood with a white sail and a small rudder. The hot spring is surrounded by lush greenery with rocks. Now comes the video editing part, and that really will surprise you. So here is the original video of a person jogging, running, right? This looks like Death Valley, isn't it? Something like Death Valley.
Asif, I can't see the screen.
Oh my goodness, sorry, I didn't share the screen. Today I'm clearly not in. I apologize. So guys, do you know what we are talking about? Those of you who are remote, we are talking about movie lens. And is it better now? Can we see the screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Look at this. The original video, a person is running what to me looks like something similar to Death Valley, isn't it? I don't know where it is, but clouds are there. And you say text input, add blue pom-poms in his hand. The poor guy. Okay, now he's holding blue pom-poms. Right. Okay, turn it into a cactus desert. How many of you would say it's pretty realistic? It is, right? And make him into a dino. Thank you. All right, guys, so food is here. I want you guys to just appreciate it. I'll stop the recording, and I want you guys to just support this because we have a long paper reading ahead. I suppose it's best that we eat food and then start, and I apologize for the huge delay. that we have been through.
Quick question, what is it based on? What model or?
Yes, wouldn't you like to know? We're going to cover all of that.